नमस्कार दोस्तों। सन 2024 की बात है। पुणे में 19 मई को एक 17 साल के लड़के ने अपनी स्पोर्ट्स कार चलाते हुए करी 2 लोगों की हत्या। जी हाँ दोस्तों, और हम किसी ऐसी वैसी स्पोर्ट्स कार की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम बात कर रहे हैं पोर्शा की टाइकन टर्बो एस की। जी हाँ दोस्तों ये वही कार है which comes with a 93.4 kilowatt hour lithium ion 800 volt battery placed under floor pan, consists of permanent magnet synchronous motors on both axles, goes from 0 to 100 in just 2.8 seconds with a top speed of 260 kilometers per hour and 625 brake horsepower. It comes in 4 variants: 4S, GTS, Turbo S, starting from only 1.73 crore rupees in India. और आज दोस्तों इस गाड़ी की हालत ये है। सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक 17 साल के लड़के की लापरवाही की वजह से। जी हाँ दोस्तों, so sorry for that Dhruv Rathi ass intro, bhai. So there's a reason. Basically, my dad watches Dhruv Rathi a lot, and after he finishes watching his videos, he watches mine, and after he's done watching my videos, he sits and compares both of them. Now who's going to sit and explain him everything, bro? So I just thought I'll prank him. Sorry, Dad. A 17-year-old boy named Vedant Agarwal drove his Porsche over two people, a couple, both of them software engineers, all of it under the influence of alcohol. 17 years old, guys. He's the son of Surendra Kumar Agarwal, who's a very well-known builder in India. Builder के बेटे हैं भाई, पैसा बोलता है, इनको लगा पैसों से भाई सब कुछ खरीदा जा सकता है. Sorry भाई. At this point, I feel social media has more power than the entire law system, bro. Now I really want to speak about Vedant Agarwal and the entire thing that went down, backstories, everything. We're going to discuss everything in detail. पहली चीज तो, why and how was a 17-year-old boy allowed to drink in public, that too at a bar जहाँ पे तुम्हें ID दिखानी होती है to consume alcohol? Why was he being served alcohol there? Did the authorities over there didn't know he's 17-year-old, या फिर उनको बस ये पता था कि ये बहुत बड़े बिल्डर का बेटा है, हमें बकचोदी नहीं काटनी चाहिए, क्योंकि you know how it goes. Being a minor, he was served alcohol at a club or a bar. After getting drunk, he stepped out of the club, got into his Porsche with his friends, drove the car at approximately 150-200 kilometers per hour, ran over two people. Fucking sad, man. Vedant got arrested right after the accident took place. Who was driving the car? There's CCTV proof of that as well. I don't know why it's not being considered. We'll talk about it. But what happens next is what makes everything worse. Vedant was arrested right after the accident took place, and he was granted bail within 15 hours of being arrested. He has killed two people under the influence of alcohol, being a minor. Everything is wrong, and the dude got bailed in 15 hours. And the punishment that was given to him was 300-word essay about traffic laws and violations. That was his punishment, guys. Essay writing competition. हमें ये भी पता चल रहा है कि वेदांत ने क्लब में 50-60 हजार रुपए की दारू खरीदी. 50-60,000 of alcohol is a lot of alcohol consumed for you to be driving, man. That too a supercar. 300-word essay. My question to the district court that gave him this punishment: did he bunk a class or did he kill two people? 17-year-old is driving without license. He's drinking publicly. It's all allowed. But भाई, he's a minor man. Come on. ऐसे कैसे हम उसको जेल में डाल दें? ऐसे कैसे किसी को पनिश कर देंगे हम अगले साल? Let him turn 18, then we'll see. हाँ? For now, बेटा, you write 300 word का ऐसे. Now all these hit and run वाले जो लोग हैं ना, they're gonna fuck the registration of the car, fuck the license, fuck the ID. Now they're gonna keep a 300 word essay ready in their dashboard in case, because that's how easy it is, guys. Yet again, guys, money is greater than law. Money is greater than rules. The rich will keep prospering. So fucking hilarious. I don't know why so many CCTV cameras have been put up in public areas when at the end you want to tamper evidence with the use of power and money. When you want to make up stories and close cases, like how is it going to compensate for the lives of those two victims, bro? Why I feel that social media is way more powerful than our judicial system, because the bail was literally withdrawn after the backlash on the internet. भाई ये किस तरीके की सजा है, ये क्या चुतियाप है basically. They withdrew the bail. Investigation is now going on. After a decade, they're gonna come out कि भाई Vedant was not under the influence of alcohol. Vedant was not driving the car. Vedant doesn't exist only. That's what they're gonna fucking come up with. Because this script has been used since the start. By we have seen this script real life and on television. Salman Khan का case. There's movie on Netflix, The White Tiger. उसमें भी यही हुआ है. इस case में भी यही हो रहा है. The blame is being put on their driver. For fuck's sake, man. Why do you always target the poor to put the blame on? Why should they take a fucking bullet for you? Just because you pay them wages? You're paying them wages for their work that they give to you, man. Come on. This is not why they work for you, bro. Be ready to take the blame at any fucking time. Poor driver, bro. उस पे पूरा allegation लगाया जा रहा है, जबकि CCTV footage है वेदांत की गाड़ी चलाते हुए. पैसा भाई, पैसा. कब तक exploit करोगे भाई गरीबों को ऐसे? Vedant's dad was arrested for allowing his son to drive the car being a minor, and Vedant's grandfather was arrested for trying to put the blame on their driver. मतलब not only dad, उनके भी बाप, पूरी नस्ल ही बहनचोद खराब है. They are all in on this fuckery. ड्राइवर वाली चीज को हम यहाँ पे रोकते हैं, इस चीज पे हम वापस आएंगे बाद में. And the most stupidest thing, bro, he was drunk. भाई पहली चीज तो 17 साल का है, वो दारू क्यों पी रहा है? He's in complete senses to walk out of the club, get inside his car, start driving, that too at 160 kilometers per hour. That time he was not drunk, but as soon as he met with an accident, oh no, he was under the influence of alcohol. Oh no, he was. Right now, I want to fucking talk about the media, man. One thing is 100% confirmed right now. The media does not give a fuck about your reputation. The media does not give a fuck if you are right or if you are wrong. All that media cares about is TRP. They just want their channels to be hot in heat. मतलब इतना भी अब फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि जो चीजें हम दिखा रहे हैं नेशनल टेलीविजन पे पूरे पॉपुलेशन को, वो सही भी है या नहीं है, घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता. और ये चीज पहली बार नहीं हो रही है. मेरी ऑडियंस के लिए बेस्ट एग्जांपल 2022 में चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी में जो कांड हुआ था, उसकी पूरी वीडियो पड़ी हुई मेरे चैनल पे, जाके देखना एक बार. उसमें भी भाई एक इनोसेंट बंदे को उसकी फोटो दिखा दी, उसका नाम रिवील कर दिया पूरे नेशनल टेलीविजन पे, जबकि उसकी कोई गलती थी भी नहीं. पूरी इज्जत उछाल दी पब्लिक में. नंगे भूखे बैठे रहते हैं, कुछ भी दिखाने को मिल जाए बस. सेम थिंग इज हैपनिंग नाउ आल्सो. मोर देन दैट, द वे द मीडिया हैज यूज्ड द डिस्ट्रैक्शन टेक्निक इन दिस एंटायर केस, हैट्स ऑफ भाई. सारी चीजों को एकदम अलग टेंजेंट पे लेकर चले गए, जस्ट सो वेदांत अग्रवाल के बाप को थोड़ा टाइम मिल जाए. दिस इज व्हाट आई फील. या तो भाई उसके बाप ने बिल्डर है, पैसा खिलाया होगा. सो फॉर दोज ऑफ यू हु डोंट नो व्हाट अ डिस्ट्रैक्शन टेक्निक इज, इन दिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट these are some strategies that the government bodies or media uses to deviate the public's attention from what's going on to a less important matter. It's mostly used during controversial times. बहुत सारे techniques use होते हैं. Propaganda हो गया, space goating हो गई, media saturation. जब भी कुछ होने वाला होता है, they'll just suddenly leak irrelevant information, all and all just to hide whatever they're doing behind the back. If at all I have to give you a real life example, the Epstein Island documents, the list of the names was made public out of nowhere this year. So Jeffrey Epstein died in 2019. तो ये सारी चीजें हैं भाई. So there is this creator named Cringistan, aka Aryan, not Vedant, okay? जिसने Instagram पे एक स्टोरी अपलोड करी जहां पे he is rapping about the whole पुणे case. Let's watch the clip.
करके बैठा मैं नशे in my Porsche, सामने आया कपल मेरे, अब वो है नीचे. Sound so cliche, सॉरी गाड़ी चढ़ दी आप पे, 17 की उम्र, पैसे खूब मेरे बाप पे.
Bro, the media has lost it. What they did was they took this clip, showcased it on national television, saying ki this is the culprit who ran his Porsche over 2 people, killed them, then went home after bail, released a rap video. Bhai, I mean, what do you expect from the media when the journalists itself are picking up their news from Instagram meme pages without even doing a proper background check? ऐसे तो भाई फिर MC Stan को भी arrest करो.
Pull up करो Porsche में लिए ते को खोपरे में गए तूने भोसड़े में.
They don't do any background check. The person we are showcasing is actually Vedant Agarwal or he is Aryan. Even if they did know, they're still going ahead with the distraction technique because भाई पीछे से पैसा आ रहा है. And for those dumb fucks who still don't get it, this is Aryan. He's a content creator who uploaded a rap in form of satire, a meme. He's not Vedant Agarwal. He has not killed anyone. That is what the media is feeding you. Cringistan uploaded another reel on his Instagram a day ago in which he explains कि उसके साथ क्या हो रहा है.
मैंने 2 पैरोडी वीडियोस अपनी स्टोरीज पे क्या लगा दी, मीडिया वालों ने वो चुरा के अपने पेज पे सर्कुलेट कर दी, ये बताते हुए कि मैं वो क्रिमिनल हूँ जिसने 2 लोगों की जान ली. बट डिफेम करना इनफ नहीं था. इन्होंने मेरे ऊपर सेक्शन 41A के चलते 509 एंड 294 धाराएं लगा दी, मेरे ऊपर केस कर दिया ताकि सारी की सारी लाइमलाइट जो है वो मेरे ऊपर आ जाए और लोगों का ध्यान भटक जाए पूरे केस से.
भाई जिसकी गलती है उसको तो सजा दे दो पहले. इधर उधर पता नहीं किस किस को पुलिस स्टेशन बुला रहे हो. जिसने गलती करी है वो चिल कर रहा भाई, किसी और को लपेटा जाए. आई जस्ट होप डज नॉट फॉल ऑन हिम बिकॉज़ कुछ कह नहीं सकते भाई अभी. एवरीथिंग कैन बी बॉट विद मनी. आई होप ब्रो, आई होप द वन हु डिजर्व्स इट गेट्स पनिश्ड, नॉट समवन एल्स मैन, नॉट द ड्राइवर, नॉट अ क्रिएटर बट वेदांत अग्रवाल. क्रिंजिस्तान की ये रैप वीडियो इतनी वायरल हो गई थी न्यूज चैनल्स पे, सोशल मीडिया पे, कि वेदांत द एक्चुअल कल्प्रिट, उसकी माँ को इंस्टाग्राम पे आके ये बताना पड़ा कि ये जो न्यूज पे आप शक्ल देख रहे हो ये मेरे बेटे की नहीं है.
I want to request media that the videos which have been circulated are not of my son. They are all fake videos.
I feel very sad for his mother. I can tell and I can see that she's in a very stressed state regarding her spoiled son. But honestly, I am way more sorry for the families of the victims because they're the one actually suffering through a real loss. Your son is still alive and healthy. Correction, don't know about healthy because he's drinking at the age of 17. So आप ज़्यादा बेहतर जानते होगे. He's never gonna learn the consequences of his wrongdoing. I mean, giving a 2 CR supercar to a 17-year-old to drive, my dad would never. My dad is never gonna buy me a car. That is me to achieve on my own. If at all he buys me, if it's gonna be some second-hand Honda or some shit. I don't think many people know this, but when Vedant Agarwal was drinking at the bar at the club and he was stepping out, the driver, the same driver जिस पे दादाजी blame डालने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, and दादाजी got arrested also for it. Very good. That driver called Vedant's dad and he asked, बड़े साहब आपका बेटा बहुत दारू पी लिया है, वो गाड़ी चलाने के हालत में नहीं है. He mentioned it, but Vedant's dad was like, कोई बात नहीं, उसको गाड़ी चलाने दो, करने दो उसको एक्सीडेंट. हम हैं ना बचाने के लिए, हमारा पैसा हमने क्यों कमाया इतना? There's no point of crying in front of the camera now. Those 2 victims, they're dead. Let that fucking sink in. Also, that poor man, that driver who you're trying to exploit, trying to put the blame on, yeah, he tried to save your son a week ago. Let that also sink in. Yeah, and keep your money fucking ready trying to take down this video. I'm not even surprised. But Aryan, मैं तुझे एक चीज कहूंगा, इस बात का बुरा मत मानियो. The time you chose to release this rap video was absolutely the worst time to do it. Very bad timing. It was like playing stupid games to win stupid prizes. Cause तुझे भी पता है ये चीज, लोगों को सटायर नहीं समझ में आता. बहुत ज्यादा इमोशनल ऑडियंस है हमारी. We are talking about murder over here. The case was very sensitive, very controversial. That rap video was bound to come into limelight. And by doing this, you gave media the perfect distraction technique. I'm not saying तू गलत है Aryan. I'm just saying your timing was very off. Samay Raina, for instance, bro, how many jokes has he cracked on Kashmir? But he didn't do it while it was happening. Had you probably released this video, say after the thing was calmed down, after like the culprit was punished, वगैरह, I don't think it would have been such a big issue. But then again, what would be the point of posting it later on? I kind of get it where you're coming from, but still, right now, रायता फैला हुआ था. रायते में तूने पैर डाल दिया. Aryan, I'm only saying all of this stuff because, bhai, I don't want you to be in this phase. This is not the life you want, bhai. Stay away from all of this bullshit. Trust me when I say this, bro. You have a lot of fucking potential. Your energy is off the charts. Your confidence level is off the charts. I just want good for you. It's a very negative limelight to be in. You've already been there. You know it better, and it's just not worth it, bhai. थारा भाई जोगिंदर, ये बंदा bro, कल या परसों में इसने एक रील डाली है.
पुणे का केस आप लोगों ने सुना है? ये लड़का पोर्शे गाड़ी भगा के लेकर आता है, 2 कपल की ऑन द स्पॉट हत्या कर देता है.
इस बंदे के हैं 11.5 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स और इस बंदे ने भी जस्ट लाइक आवर मीडिया डिड नॉट गिव अ फक कि ट्रुथ क्या है, क्योंकि आजकल जोगिंदर भाई बहुत सोशल वर्किंग कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, गरीबों के लिए स्टैंड लेते हैं. जितनी भी चीजें गलत हो रही हैं, किसी की हत्या हो गई, कोई किडनैप हो गया, ठीक है, तो ये बहुत उनके लिए ना ऐसे गाड़ी में बैठ के स्टैंड लेते हैं. सबको लोगों को 1-1 लाख रुपए बांटते हैं और कहते हैं कि मुझे इसका एड्रेस दे दो.
1 लाख रुपए ले जाओ और इस लड़के का पता मेरे को कमेंट में दे जाओ.
भाई मैं तेरे को 10 लाख रुपए देता हूँ, तो अपना इंस्टाग्राम बंद कर दे, या तो अगर खोल के रखना है तो भोसड़ी के थोड़ा रिसर्च करके ना. ये छाती पीटने से ना दिमाग नहीं काम करता है लंड. और तेरी इस रील से बहुत क्लियर हो जाता है कि तुझे लेना देना नहीं है किसके साथ क्या गलत हो रहा है, या तुझे किसी की मदद नहीं करनी है, तुझे बस व्यूज छापने. तूने एक बार भी ये नहीं सोचा कि तू किसकी फोटो यूज कर रहा है, किसकी वीडियो यूज कर रहा है, ये बंदा है भी वो या नहीं है. बस तूने बना दी वीडियो डाल के वहनचोद, और उस रील पे इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे 1.5 मिलियन व्यूज हैं ब्रो. 1.5 मिलियन प्लेस हैं उस रील पे. ऐसे तो चूतिया बैठे हैं हमारे देश में. हाँ भाई जोगिंदर, अब तुझे अगर इस चीज का भी बुरा लग गया होगा ना, तो गाड़ी में छाती पीट वीडियो हटा दे भाई. ऐसे कैसे बोल रहा, और पहुंचाओ भाई ऐसे चूतियों को 11-11, 10-10 मिलियन दो भाई. तुम लोग बहुत बढ़िया काम कर रहे हो भाई. Fucking stupid. Big shout out to the Pune Police Commissioner Amitesh Kumar for handling the case so well, for arresting Vedant's dad, his grandfather, and booking them under the sections of forgery, destruction of evidence, tampering the investigation, वगैरह. For arresting the 2 doctors who tried to manipulate the blood samples of Vedant. For arresting the manager of the bar which was serving alcohol to a minor. Also for letting everyone know that Vedant Agarwal was in his senses while he was driving the car. And most importantly, for not letting it fall on the driver. For saving the driver, and hence thank you for not allowing the Agarwals to follow the script. Great job, bhai. I just hope justice is served, and I request the juvenile court to decline the money you get offered. Provide justice as you should, because there are 2 families out there suffering a huge loss. Now as we approach the end of this video, I would like to dedicate this segment of the video to the victims and the families of the victim. It was a couple, Anisha Wadia and Ashwini Costa. Both were 24 years old, just 24 years old. May their soul rest in peace, and to their families, I'm really sorry for your loss. My condolences. My heart goes out to their families, their friends, and everyone who knew and loved them. Nothing can compensate for it. I know it's a very difficult time, but inshallah everything will be fine, and this tough phase shall pass too. Baki, please take care of yourselves. All we can do is pray for them. I hope justice is served, and the one who deserves it gets punished. That's all for this video. Take care of yourselves. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.